So we're going to do some chicken today, which goes really well with any sort of pasta. Italian chicken, Italian-esque. So we're going to do some chicken legs fried, and then we're going to make a really simple tomato garlicky sauce. Absolutely fantastic. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's take a look at our chicken first. So I've got 4 legs there. That's 1 kg, so 250 grams each. 1 kg is about 2.2 pound. Now what I've done, as you can see, I've cut into each one, just down to the bone a little bit, just to open it out a bit. So very simply, we're just going to salt and pepper this. Just get some salt on there. Some black pepper. I mean, be pretty generous with both. And then a nice glug of olive oil. Just get some olive oil on there. And then I'm going to just rub that. Just going to put a glove on, a plastic glove, and then I'm just going to sort of give that a little mix straight to the cooker. Okay, so I just gave that a little rub around, straight into the pan. Now you want the pan on medium, you don't want it too high because you want to cook this chicken nicely. Just get the rest of that oil in there and the salt and pepper. So yeah, nice kind of, just slightly maybe below medium. Nothing too crazy. And we're gonna cook these for about, in total, maybe 9 minutes. I'll be flipping it quite often. Okay, off goes the heat. That's looking beautiful. I'm going to set these to one side. Now keep this oil, don't throw this oil away. We're going to use this in the next step. It's got some beautiful flavors in there. Okay, so we're going to make a really nice simple tomato sauce now. So we've got all that lovely flavors from that chicken that we cooked. I've got 1 cup of onion, that's going to go in. And by the way, I'm on above medium heat. 1 tablespoon of garlic, chopped. And optional, but I've got some black olives here. About 3 minutes, keep it moving. Beautiful, just like 3 minutes or so there. Next up, we're going to add in bell peppers. So I've got 1 bell pepper there, half a green, half orange. Go for any other colors you like. If you wanted, you could get some zucchini in here, mushrooms, you know, some other vegetables you like, really, it's up to you. I've got 3 teaspoons of oregano, dried oregano. I'm going to add a nice big pinch of black pepper, some salt, and again I'm going to go for another 3 minutes. Fabulous. 1 can of tomatoes. That was a whole plum tomato, which I just chopped up very roughly. Okay, we're going to drop the heat down to below medium, and we're going to let that go for 5 to 6 minutes. I'm going to give it a stir every now and then. Beautiful. Nice and low there, cooking beautifully. Okay, now we're going to grab our chicken. We can get that back in there, reintroduce it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a lid on this and let it go for about another 5 or 6 minutes. Again, nice and low. Beautiful, easy stuff. Okay, just taking the lid off. Off goes the heat. That is beautiful. Let me get that served on a plate for you. Super easy, super delicious that is. That is fantastic with some pasta, anything you like, some spaghetti, penne, tagliatelle, up to you. Nice and easy. Super tasty. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.